The Student Assistantship and Resource Training 2 or START 2 is the second phase of the START program. Initially, START provided financial assistance to DLSU students by employing them as temporary personnel at the various offices in the university. However, START 2, which was launched last academic year, is an off-campus student employment program with DLSU partner companies, which aims to provide additional financial support to help meet their educational expenses. In return, participants of this program will receive compensation in the form of monthly stipend and other perks that may be provided by partner companies and advanced enrollment privilege in the university. So we invite you, our dear students, to take this opportunity to earn while you learn in order to maximize your potentials as a solid achiever for God and country. Ating